Ternopil Medical University is the place to be, it's the place to study. Not just that, it's a good medical university.
To anyone who is aspiring to study here, it's a good place and it's simply home away from home.
This is a wonderful school, a school that values education and values integrity and character.
Hello, my name is Osage Ewan Osato.
Hi guys, my name is Moses Abdul Sise.
Hello there, my name is Dauda Pawanlai.
Hello there, I'm Adibod Isaac Timitope.
I'm a fifth-year medical student at the Ternopil National Medical University.
And I am a final year medical student in Ternopil National Medical University.
And I'm a fifth-year medical student in Ternopil National Medical University.
I'm an alumni of Ternopil National Medical University.
One thing I would love to say about the school is like the manner in which students can reach the school authority without stress. It's so efficient. Like they have a listening ear to the students, and they love like the international students, and they love to communicate. The culture is also nice. My experience about the school, I will go with my clinical experiences, seeing the patients, having to communicate with the patients, and performing examinations. It's wonderful. It's perfect. Love to see you. And it's
first thing I would like to say that you get the standard for your money, and it's quite affordable compared to other prestigious universities all around the world, and you get the quality that you require as regards your knowledge and the biggest knowledge you need to aspire or go forward in your career. Something also about this kind of place is that the standard of living is quite also good, and it also helps you to not break the bank and also be able to have comfortable life studying amongst the students also. Another thing is that this school caters to not just developing you medically, but making sure you also spread your wings and also enlarge your tents and reach out to doing other things. It also helps you in going for conferences in other places, helping you to achieve things and just expand your horizon, because one of the first things that you have to do is to learn the language, and that already is expanding your brain to the learning curve and to the learning process that you have to go through in this kind of place. And this school is also helpful in the students, helping them have comfortable places, like now the church. The school is also able to help us in getting the venue and where we can easily pray and worship and spend time together.
We have easy access to our teachers, the dean, and those in charge. I also like the fact that here in this school, I have had the opportunity to make lifelong connections and meet the most amazing set of people. Here in this school, there's also a great balance between academic activities and extracurricular activities.
There is an easy access between students and the administration. And also the university is a really good medical school. We are being taught well in both clinicals and pre-clinicals, giving us more experience to hone our skills as future doctors. And the university has also provided us with a means of interacting among students through various activities. One of my favorites is playing chess in the university, through which I've come to meet lots of amazing people. Why waste your time? Don't think about it so much, just come.
You should, because it's literally home away from home.
This is a wonderful school, a school that values education and values integrity and character. So why waste time? Hop on this opportunity and come to this school.
If you're waiting for a decision to make, I present this opportunity to you. Don't let it slip by you. The school is waiting for you. Join TNMU today.